Hi, welcome back to our L3 Try channel. So today we are in the natural waterfall place. It's called Ulu Licin at the Beluas. So today we will test the viewpoint and the gesture control on the Autel Evo 2. So let's go.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack map here, track in, pack map here, in, track map, pack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City.
Okay, so now let's try the viewpoint, the intelligent flight on the Autel Evo 2. Tap the manual flight and select the viewpoint. Okay. Okay, so finish. So select the point here. Adjust. Okay. So start record.
Start recording.
And then tap start. So the minimum speed is 4 km per hour in the viewpoint. Maximum is 36 km per hour. Very nice view. Natural waterfall. The place called Ulu Licin in the Malaysia Perak stage. So, okay, that's it. It's a viewpoint feature in the Autel Evo 2. So now we try the gesture control on the Autel Evo 2. So let's select the gesture control on the intelligent flight menu. So there I have 3 ways to control the drone. First is lock the target, raise your hands over shoulders for more than half a second. Okay. The second is take photo. To take photo, open your hands horizontally and parallel to shoulders for at least half a second. So the last is for recording or stop recording. Just raise one hand above the shoulder and wave left and right for more than half a second. So this is 3 ways for the gesture control on the Autel Evo 2. So now we try. Let's try to lock the target. Okay, to lock.
Identify the lock target gesture and lock the target.
So, again, I haven't locked it.
Identify the lock target gesture and lock the target.
So now we lock the target. Now let's try to take a photo. 来拍照，中，翻过来。Okay.
Identify. Photographing completed.
拍照。 再来一次啊！
Photographing completed.
再来一次，它一闪灯就可以了。
Photographing completed.
Okay. So now let's try to record the video recording. It is only one hand.
Start recording.
Okay, so now it is recording now. So that's it for the gesture control on the Autel Evo 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.